magistrate was pleased to pass an order saying that no liquor would be sold or served anywhere in Goa, in any restaurant or any bar or any shop after 11 p.m. since the coming into force of the election code. Now, GoaFest had organized a function where top dignitaries all over India were to come to attend, and dignitaries included from the Bollywood, from the business world, from the advertisement world, from the sports world. And these festivities were conceived of way back in January of 18, and the actual invitations were extended from January of 19. Now, considering that the Honorable High Court has been pleased to grant relaxation for this particular fest only, this order is not applicable to the rest of Goa or any other restaurant. It is specific to this function, GoaFest 19, where liquor can be served to all the invitees after 11 p.m. and it can be served till 1:30 a.m. of the next day. It's a special thing that has been carved out by the court. Now, we have said that this function will not include any politician. This function will not have any political overtones. There won't be any political speech at all. And the persons who are coming are top dignitaries. The registration for this function itself is about rupees 24,000 per head. So considering that, the court said that it would not be fair for the organizers who have already spent crores of rupees for hosting of this function to be told that they can't serve liquor. I personally feel that it is an order in the right spirit, because it's always said that a republic without a pub is only a relic.